Let's just go over our iron. I've got a Weller 100p soldering iron here. So this is our tip. This is a 3/8 chisel tip, and this is the standard tip that comes with this iron. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to, you don't have to do this really hard. It's easier than, using your hand. But take this and just start that turning. So when you turn this nut right here, this allows your tip to be removed from the heating element, which is right inside of here. So this tip comes off, and it is changeable. You can have a smaller tip for this. I prefer the 3/8 chisel tip for this 100p because this is my go-to iron. I use this all the time. So you want to make sure with your tip that this area here makes good contact up inside the iron where the thermocouple is. And then also what you want to do is make sure that this part here on your iron is not all gummed up and just pitted, and not looking really nice. And then the next thing you want to make sure of, because this all is the heat that comes down from here. So if this is all pitted and corroded, it's going to absorb some of that heat. And when it absorbs that heat, that means that's taking heat from here. It's taking heat from the tip of your iron and putting it here where you don't need it, because you don't solder with this side. So I like to just take, and you can use steel wool, and this is a very fine sandpaper. I just like to make sure that nothing is pitted or ground around that. And then I'll take my tip after I've cleaned it, and I'll insert it back in. Now, one thing you're going to find is sometimes if your iron is failing on you, it could be just something as simple as the tip itself. Those of you that have the iron that has a set screw right here, your iron not heating up properly could be something as simple as that set screw, because the tip isn't completely installed in the iron. So make sure, if you've got the little set screw here on your iron, make sure that to loosen it, after you've cleaned the tip, make sure the tip is pushed tight against the inside, and then tighten that screw up, okay? So because a lot of times you'll think your iron is gone bad, but really it hasn't. What's happened is the tip has moved away from the heating element, and now it's doing all it can to try and make sure that it's trying to get hot, and it's really not going to do the trick for you. We'd like you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so, and remember, thumbs up work for us. Join us every Monday night for live Q&A here at the ARTyRV channel, where we talk all about stained glass.